come already. Doing something like that for the casino. I did the one side. Yeah. I mean, worldwide. Mad up. Bust up, you know. Yeah. Maybe I will finish them. I said left some back here, some. Yeah, he left some back in the good one. That one I finished the whole project, but I left some non-stop back in the good one. You understand? Yeah, that one. This one, maybe they have too much this thing like females, the martini song. You understand? You know, say Jamaican song, no too much backing. You go ahead and yeah, where you know say backing for day, then you back up. You don't do the backing anyhow like that. I'll be back up. Yeah, sure. That one self, that one you cover at me sharp, respect. No, I go do. I go do one before I go to the studio. Yeah. You say? That one. No. This one no preaching. I don't know say the vibes chap. They are the boss of plenty. Like we check like 3 vibes or something like 2 verses or 3 verses. Yeah. Oh, that one is long. It's almost like 3 minutes something. Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's like almost like it passed almost 2 minutes something, almost 3 minutes, equivalent to 4 minutes. But you know, yeah, pull them comes small. Yeah. Bloclat. You know that? Yeah, sharp. All right. We hopping already. You see the street? Yeah. I did the street lane top. So if anything, sharp. Back up.